Hey guys, what's up? If you look in my apartment, you'll notice two things right now. Number one, this bike. Number two, this box. Remember how we were talking about going to the Austin Surron MEGARIDE? Well, this thing's going in a box, this thing's going on a plane. We're making this shit happen. So let's disassemble, pack this thing up. All right, people, status update. Bike is off, swing arms off, forks are off, wheels are off. Boy, oh boy, was this a bitch. Okay, party people. Frame is wrapped. We're gonna try and put it in the box. So is the swing arm. Kept the battery in the frame. Then we just have plastics we'll throw on top, the bars. All right, put a little cub in the bottom of it. Swing arm. Well, people, I didn't know if I could do it. Alas, here we are. We got everything in there. Frame, front forks and wheel, swing arm, plastics, handlebars, batteries obviously in the frame. And I should have put this wheel in there. That should be the final step. Huzzah! Just like that, guys, in this little Garmin box is an upgraded Razor MX 500 going to Austin, Texas, baby. Bringing the box to UPS, baby. Use their dolly. Well, bike's headed to Texas, baby. Just leaving UPS. So hype.